tradition to go outside and go explore, cut out a Christmas tree and cut down a Christmas tree. So here we are. We're gonna go do our family tradition right now. And we have brought our sleds, so afterwards we could sled somewhere. And we got our axe to cut down the Christmas tree, and this is our sled to carry the Christmas tree with us. And we're just gonna go out in the wild to find a perfect Christmas tree for us. And then, of course, sled.
And we have our dog right now, so we're gonna have some dog-powered sledding where we have her leash, we hook it up to our sleds, and then she runs, and we just go with her. So that's gonna be very fun. And right now it's like, I would say 20 degrees. There's some snow on the ground, and there's freezing rain coming down. Not hard. I just see a few flakes. Either that's freezing rain or snow. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Look at what we found, a moose bed. It's shaped just as big as a moose would be. And it sleeps here. It's so exciting. And you can see the moose poop, of course. It just explains everything here. It explains that there is moose everywhere in Alaska. When you're outside in the wilderness, you have to be careful, because otherwise the moose might get you.
Dun dun dun! Well, I think that's good enough for the bed. So let's go look at the tree. The trees. What's really majestic. I've only seen a few in my lifetime. I've seen more of the moose here because I used to live in Nevada. So, well, here's the tree. The tree was from a moose, a boy moose who had his antlers and was rubbing his antlers against this to get the velvet off. Here's a little bit more facts though. In wintertime, there's not a lot of leaves, so the moose go on a bark diet. They eat bark and twigs and the Christmas tree twigs and stuff like that. It's really cool and fascinating too. But this tree is from a boy moose who rubbed his antlers against it to get the velvet off during rut season. That is around September, I think. September, August. So, see you guys later. Bye.
We're off. We're hunting for the perfect tree. Come on. We gotta keep our eyes open for moose.
Okay, guys, what do you think? Maybe we cut that one, huh?
Well, I don't like it. Kizzy, do you like it?
I love it. I like this tree. I'll hug it.
I don't like it. I think we should keep exploring. Maybe bring our sleds a little, sled a lot, look for another sledding hill, maybe find one 30 miles away, just so we could keep sledding.
I say this tree is perfect.
Well, too bad.
First, come here.
My turn. Freezing.
All right.
Which way?
You're looking pretty comfortable, Mackenzie.
Here you go. Thank you. Let's vamos!
I'm good, bud.
I found one too. It's over here.
Where at, buddy?
That one good?
Oh, it's a little sparse.
What does sparse mean?
Sparse means it has a lot of holes, bud.
Ken, you ready to drop the tree?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Come over here. Hold it. There you go. I'll hold these bushes out of the way. You want me to help you get it started? You got it? You're doing good. So hold the red with your right hand. There you go. You can use two hands.
Turn your hand around, Kent. Turn your bottom hand around.
Here, watch. See? Easy. You gotta hold it where you cut. There you go. Right in there. You can use two hands, but you gotta put them. There you go. Easy. It's not. Don't push hard. Just easy. Push and pull. There you go. You gotta keep this straight up like there. Good. Good. Good, Kens. Don't get your face too close. Mom's gonna have to look out. Getting close. What do you yell when it goes?
Timber.
Yep. Almost. You gotta yell it loud. Get ready here. Yell it, yell it.
Timber.
Nice. Good job. That was hard,
Nice
wasn't
work.
Oh.
it? Look at what you did. Nice.
Ta-da! Now the hard part is getting it out of here and on the sled.
There we go. Right there for a moment.
We're a reindeer, yeah! Well, at least the bad ones. the white-nosed reindeer. Well, this is gonna be a wrap up to this awesome video. It was really fun. We think we found the perfect tree, which is very amazing. It's a really good tree, so yeah.
This video shout out is to Italia, who lives in our neighborhood.
And then I'm shouting out to my friend Caleb. He lives down the street from me. He's a really good friend. So see you guys later. Bye. See ya.
Hi everyone, here we are, and this is our finished project. It is really nice. We had such a fun day today.
Right now we put the ornaments on. It's about 8:20 our time, and this is it. It's so awesome. Yes, so majestic, and it was a really good trip. So we'll see you guys later.
Bye.